Mountain here. I'm doing this video to demonstrate how you can actually recharge your coins trading account on Poppo Live. So open Poppo Live, then after opening Poppo Live, click the profiles tab. Then at the bottom there you see where it says coins trading. Click there. Initially I didn't know I had to recharge the main account. So when you become an agent, you will have two accounts. The main account, which is the spending account, and the coins trading account. So the one I've opened is the coins trading account, the one which is at the bottom. Now click where it says top up. So now the question will be, how do you want to top up, or where is the money? Is it in your USDT wallet, for example yellow card, or is it in your Binance? So click Binance if it's your Binance, and then you need to pick on the amount for the coins that you want to buy. So with Binance you start from 100 US dollars, then the cheapest is 100 US dollars, then you move on to 500 and 1000. Okay, so if it's in yellow card, make sure you go by USDT. The goodness of buying, using yellow card is that you can even buy Tumbasela, you know what I'm saying? You can buy any amount of coin depending on how much you have in your yellow card. With Binance, they've set up the limitations, the limits. You can start from 100, nothing less than that. So with you, if you want to buy coins using your yellow card, you click here where it says copy, then you go to your yellow card, open your yellow card, and so when you get here you click USDT. That side you had selected USDT, then click where it says send. So from here you're going to punch in the amount, the amount of US dollars that you have. You have 21, is it 500 US dollars? Then you click next. When you go to next, it will take you to where you will have to paste in the wallet address you got from the one that you got from Poppo Live, and then you'll send. Okay, so now let's go to